Happy birthday to you. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Don't you sweat it, baby, it's alright. You were dancing through the lightning strikes. Oh, so sleepless in the onyx night. But now the sky is opalite. Oh, 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 my Lord. Never met no one like you before. No, you had to make your own sunshine.
Happy birthday, Tita Carla. Miss you. Ingat po palagi.
Happy birthday, Bianca.
Hi, Kai Kai. Happy birthday. Ang wish ko, still the same. Love life mo. Anyway, the right guy will just come along. It's something that is being prayed for you by a lot of people na love ka. So, yeah, ingat ka lagi and enjoy your day and happy birthday again. Hope to see you in Dubai maybe next year. Oh, diba? Okay then. Happy birthday again. Bye.
Happy birthday.
You're my sweetest addiction.
Happy birthday, Tita Kai.
Surprise!
Happy birthday, Ate Kai. Uwi ka na para mag-banding na ulit tayo. I love you so much.
Happy birthday, Tol. Mag-iingat ka lagi dyan and yan, uwi ka na nga para dito na tayo mag-celebrate. See you soon. I love you.
Hi, magandang gabi. Bianca, ngayong araw na to, ikaw binabati ko ng isang maligayang bati sa iyong kaarawan ngayong araw na ito. Naway nasa mabuti kang kalagayan at huwag kang masyadong mag-isip sa pamilya mo, kila papa mo, kila mama mo, at kay Kuya Bray mo, kay Ate Kat mo. Okay naman sila lahat dito. Ganun din kami. At sana ganun ka din sa iyong kinalalagyan ngayon. Naway pagpalain ka ng kung may kapal ng maba pa at marami ka pang birthday na makamtan. Ngayon ay birthday mo, kaya heto. Bye!
Feliz cumpleaños, Bianca. Un beso grande.
Happy birthday, Bianca. Kahit may sakit, nasa galaan pa rin. Bueno, happy birthday. Wish you all the best. Yeah?
Hi, Kai. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Kai. Love you.
30 ka na, pero tandaan mo, ikaw pa rin ang baby girl namin.
Sana pabigyan mo kami ng isang apo.
At pag-iingat ka lagi dyan, ha. Happy birthday. We
Happy
love
birthday
you.
ka, Kai.
We love you.